Welcome to our channel where we make banking easy and stress-free by solving common online login problems. Quickly welcome to our channel Chase Bank. Customers often face login hurdles that can be frustrating. But today we'll walk through a simple step-by-step process to get you back into your account. Quickly start by ensuring your internet connection is stable, since poor connectivity can cause login failures. Next, clear your browser cache, cookies, and history, as stored data might be outdated or corrupted. Open your browser settings, find privacy or history options, and clear the data. Then try logging in again. Ensure you are entering your username and password exactly as registered, including the correct capitalization. If you suspect a forgotten password, use the Forgot Password feature on the Chase login page. This will guide you through resetting your password, typically via email or SMS. Follow the prompts carefully to create a new secure password. If the problem persists, try using a different browser or device. This can help identify if the issue is specific to your current system. Sometimes browser extensions interfere with login sequences, so disable them temporarily. Also check if Chase Bank's website is down or undergoing maintenance by visiting trusted status checking websites or the official Chase social media pages. If none of these steps help, contact Chase Bank customer service directly. They have dedicated support specialists who can resolve account access issues tailored to your situation. Remember to have your account details ready for quick verification. Lastly, make sure your browser and device software are updated to the latest versions, as outdated technology can block login attempts. Follow these steps calmly and securely to regain access without hassle. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your online banking experience should be smooth and reliable.